Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make this tasty Sambaro mixed with papaya and mango. Like this Sambaro, it's so tasty. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider subscribing so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 1 1/4 cup of raw papaya, 2 grated carrots, 1 cup of cabbage, 2 lime or you can use a lemon, habanero chilies about 5 to 6 pieces, different types of green bell pepper, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, some salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, and lastly you're going to need 1 cup of ripe mango. So the first step, in a pan or a pot, you're going to pour 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and let the oil to heat up. Once the oil is a bit hot, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and stir them for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you're going to add 1 cup of raw cabbage and stir for approximately 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 to 2 minutes, you're going to add 1 1/4 cup of raw papaya and stir for 30 seconds. Then you're going to add grated carrots, green bell pepper and habanero chili and continue stirring for another 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to add 1 cup of ripe mango and give a quick mix. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and some salt to taste and give a quick mix, then cover to let the sambar to cook for at least 3 to 5 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, you're going to uncover the Sambaro, and lastly, you're going to pour some lime juice or you can use some lemon juice and give a quick mix, then cover once more to let it cook for another 2 minutes. At this point, if you want your vegetables to be crunchy, then your Sambaro is ready. And if you want your vegetables to be a bit soft, let the Sambaro to continue to cook for another 3 to 5 minutes, then your Sambaro will be ready. Once your vegetables and the sauce is less, then your spicy Sambaro is ready, and remove it from the heat and serve in a bowl. And our tasty papaya mango Sambaro is ready, as you can see in the video. Like this Sambaro, it's so tasty. You can eat along with some biryani rice or pilau or any food that you prefer and enjoy your Sambaro. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make different types of chilies, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram Rukias Kitchen for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.